My name is Matt. I am the lead instructor here in the Horizons program, and this summer we're going to be doing a drone flying course as well as a BattleBots course. So in our drone flying camp, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be teaching you how to fly. First off, we're going to grab a drone, we're going to show you all the inner workings, and we're going to teach you how to fly it, how to repair it because you're going to be crashing, but we're going to be doing obstacle courses, we're going to be flying outside, going to some cool places, and you get to learn how to fly an FPV drone. In our BattleBots course, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating small robots. You're going to be connecting batteries, you're going to be connecting motherboards, motors, servos to create your own weapons, and you're going to be fighting other bots that are made. For our camps, if you show up ready to learn and have some fun, some of them you're going to be ready to break things, and you're going to have to be okay with that and be ready to fix them. So we're going to learn the engineering design process, and through that engineering design process, we're going to be able to solve our problems and make better robots, fly our drones better, and build, fly, break, repeat. Safety will be our #1 priority, especially when we're working with motors and RC cars and things like that. We're going to be wearing safety glasses. We're going to be learning the rules and regulations of drone flying in particular, especially when we're outside. So that will all be taught in the course. Just become ready to learn, and you'll learn how to fly the drone, build robots, and be safe while doing so.